I cannot believe 6 years into streaming, and it happened. Someone sent me a big black adult toy. With lube.
This is so powerful. I have so much power in my hands. You don't even know. Are you wait? Why do you have one too?
I hope I have like cute kiddos.
How many kids are you gonna have?
I'd like to.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's really cute. Can I be the cool aunt? I'm gonna be the cool aunt. Yeah, that'd be really
Can you teach them to have talent?
First, they need to have no friends, so they have enough time to cultivate that talent because they don't have time to go outside. Second, they need to get
Oh my
sad.
God, have you been
Sadness-
reflecting on your life and that's the conclusion you came to?
Actually, yes. 100% yes.
Honey.
Popular people have no time to do it.
I feel that way about pretty people. They usually lack character because they have no need to develop it.
Poki, you don't need to attack yourself like that.
Thank you, but also no thank you.
Remember, we have the safe word, man.
Dude, I don't even think I can show that on stream. I'm so glad I like felt it and my brain made the connection and I didn't like fully take it out, you know? No, I'm actually pretty sure that's against TOS. Like, I think you can probably talk about it, but you cannot show that sort of thing. Oh my god. Can I have it, please? Sure. And anyone can have it. I'm not gonna use it. Aw, this is so cute.
Hey Google, play Slob. I might not, but
Shut the fuck up!
Stop it!
All of that!
Stop it! No!
Shut the.
Thank you.
Thanks. Have you ever had a guy ask you what size pussy you have? But what they mean is underwear size. Like, I saw that in a text message thingy once where he's like getting his girlfriend lingerie, so he texts her and he goes, what size pussy you have? But it means like what size bottoms do you
Are you like this on your stream?
This isn't my stream, I can be
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Balls. Put snout on balls and inhales deeply. Oh God, I'm so hard. Licks balls, push me down in your squirms. More in wheels, butt. I love your musky goodness bites. Lip, please. Punish me. Lick slips in your suckles on your tip. So good. Licks. Pre of your cock salty go-
What's up, Stefan? Merry Christmas! Thank you for the raid. I'm not doing anything strange and or
This is Billy Harrington.
I don't know. That's it.
Yes, I wonder what my mom's gonna react to this one.
25 years. You know number 3 is Brenda Lee, rocking on the now, today.
Let's see if they catch on.
That's a song that's 60 years old.
I love that song.
This is my favorite version of the song.
Oh, where's this?
It's on YouTube.
Got you. Who's got you?
Ow! Ouch! Oh, that hurts.
Yeah, let's have some chocolate wine.
It's just a little.
Merry Christmas.
You just sip it. You don't drink a big gulp of it. You just take a little. So very slowly. It's safe.
Laid back camp.
Of course.
That could be us, Michael.
It's gonna be nothing like
This could be
You're
us.
gonna be.
Look at
You're gonna fucking. Yvonne's dying of this league deprivation. You're starving and covered in ticks. Fucking Poki's over there. She brought like a trailer park to come. She brought like a fucking trailer with a master bedroom in it. Fed's over in the corner trying to make fucking fire with rocks and bubble gum, and I'm smoking crack over on my phone with the portable battery pack I brought.
What about toast?
Toast is in Canada.
So what I want to say is, when I was on the mountain with my grandma, we don't have tissue. We use the bamboo stick to wipe the asshole.
So you scrape it, right?
Yes, just like the
this.
ice cream thing. Exactly the same. It's like
I know, kind of like this.
like
Perfect.
this.
Sourdough.
Maybe give a loaf to mom or something.
Yeah.
And it's pretty clean.
Yeah.
You know how it works, right?
Oh yeah, totally.
How?
It just got a little stick like this. It's kind of a little bit curved. You just get up in there and just scoop it out.
Yes.
Are you still talking about pooping?
Yes.
She's talking about in the mountains when like they didn't have TP in her grandma's house in the mountains of China.
We don't use
So they used a bamboo stick that they would like just basically scoop the poop off.
the little stick, like little small one.
Kind of like the ear cleaner, right? But bigger.
Yeah, bigger.
Yeah.
No, just
You
like
just
a
put it-
stick and hold a stick and just.
You just put it on the eye of your ass?
And Call Me Carson resubbed 6 months ago. He's a tier 3. But yeah, I was gonna.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Lady Lily Elf Chew.
Oh,
Holy shit, kill me. Gray gas. Kill me. Gachi. Okay, hold on.
so angry.
Oh my god, the boots are so cute.
It looks so cute. Oh,
Hey.
you're not in frame.
Oh my god, with the fireplace. That's cute. I'm traumatized. 2020 starting early. I love it.
You ready?
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
He's dead. Not spicy at all.
He's meditating.
Oh my. I got some content.
This is
I got some content. Okay.
Wait, let me.
Jakey Poo, Jakey Poo, don't you just love him? Jakey Poo, don't you just love him? Jakey Poo, don't you just love him? Jakey Poo, Poo.
No.
Jakey Poo.
What is this song? What is this shit?
Just love him. Jakey Poo,
Oh my god, chat's gonna be into this. Look at them, they're going nuts.
Jakey Poo. Don't
Jakey
you
Poo, they're
just love
going
him?
Jakey Poo.
Post
Jakey
lyrics.
Poo.
What?
They're saying Jakey Poo.
Oh my god, dude.
What happened? What happened? God fucking damn it! Why do I do this? Why do I let you people do things to me?
I haven't seen it. I don't care.
Why would you do that?
I think
It's not.
I think getting spoiled.
Okay, I just don't watch anyways.
I think getting spoiled is a social construct.
Okay, you're weird because you read the plots.
You really are friends with Destiny.
Are we really friends if we don't talk a lot anymore? Destiny, just clip it and send it to him.
Clip and ship it, boys. Do your job. For friendship.
I just miss him.
Yo, let's play League together. Me, you, and
Destiny doesn't.
And like,
you don't understand.
if you drive by again.
Yeah.
Like,
If I come by
drive
a house.
Steven doesn't play normals ever. He doesn't like it. He likes to. Oh, when if Pokemon asked him, I'm sure he would because sometimes he's like, I'm like, hey Steven, want to come hang out? He's like, that depends. Is Pokemon gonna be there? I'm like, you know what? Even if you're using me to get to Poki, as long as you're my friend in the
down.
meantime, I'm still fucking down, man. Just hit me up next time, bro. I'm available. Just a phone call away.
Understand it at all. Like I really didn't. I didn't understand it in the slightest. Like I understood that, like, you know, I just didn't get it. You know what I mean? And until you like actually deal with mental health, it's really hard for you to get it. And that's why I understand when people don't believe in it or whatever it is. Like, you know, they're just misinformed. They don't understand. Like, you know, they've never dealt with it, but like that shit's serious. When you actually deal with it, that shit's fucking not fun. That shit's rough. So like I thought it was like a really good cause. I wanted to do this because I've been struggling for the past like few months myself, but I'm like finally on a good track where I'm like happy and like I got shit to do and like I'm getting my life in order, and like that's helped me through like getting a schedule, figuring out what I want to do throughout my day and shit like that. So like I'm pretty happy that like with the spot I'm in, and I just want to like raise awareness to people that aren't happy or aren't in a spot that they're in, and you know, try to get out and like, you know, all that. You know, I'm not the best speaking words. I've been up for 24 hours. Shit ain't making sense right now in my head. I'm gonna be honest. I'm just saying shit, but yeah. You know, thank you for the 25 ripping heaters. I appreciate it. As a mental health counselor, I really love that you choose to promote a mental health charity. You're the man. Mo, keep up the good work. Yo, thank you.